Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the final draw, and for the big prize, and for those who send me the camera, so the get 6 entry. Okay, and yep. Before I draw the winner, I'll show you. All this is the list for the people that who send me the camera, and there we have 9 person, but I have 11 cameras received. Cause Asma. She's so addicted and she just can't control herself and can't stop to create the camera, and she sent me 3 cameras and 3 different themes. And because of the rules that I listened in the challenge, I didn't mention that I have the limit entry for this challenge, so yeah, I have to accept Asma. She sent me 3 cameras, so yeah, and so that. And also I show you before for the prize. For the winner, we get this 3-tier kickstand and one of my doily bag, handmade bag with the goodies. This is the prize, big prize. But because of I just want to show my appreciation to all the person that who sent me the cameras, and yeah, taking your time to make the camera and send to me, and the postage are so expensive. So yeah, I just wanted to show my appreciation, so I add another 2 prize for this draw. Both also is my kit, my old kit, and for the third winner, the third prize, also the same. We received this sewing machine kit for the second draw. Just now the video. So this is the third prize, and for the second prize, we get this shabby chic hutch kit. It's a cupboard, kitchen cupboard, and with the miniature tea set and the kickstand, everything. And also this drawer, I make inside. You can make the mini album, or you can store the recipe, whatever inside. So yeah, this I have the video to show you how I assemble this kit. Who get this kit, I will send you the link so you know how to make this one. Okay, so yeah, do extra addition gift for the winner, because yeah, I just wish everyone have the chance to win. Before I draw the winner, I also have mentioned, if I have by chance I draw the winner in twice, the name is 2 times is same, I will put aside and draw another person again, because I just want everyone have the chance to win. So yeah, I don't want one person get 2 prizes. So yeah, hope you understand. Okay, and this is Asma, another Asma, because Asma have 18 secret entries here, so she will have the chance to win. Asma again. I need to say and show you another name, so no cheating, because all tickets also with different name. This is Kona. She make me a giant camera with the miniature set inside, and super cute. I just love all the cameras that in different sizes and different theme. This is Debbie. So yes, and this is Violet. Okay, so yes, and this is Craft Angel Online. So yeah, all the tickets is here, and I will put all in, and later I will show you all. Okay, and now I draw the winner for the first prize. This will be the lucky winner for the challenge. Okay, so yeah, the prize here. Oh, sorry. Congratulations to you, Roxika. You are the third prize. You will get my sewing machine, the loaded pocket kit. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. And the second prize is Okay, let me grab and see. Congratulations to you, Connor. You are the lucky winner for get the miniature, yeah, the tea set. And yeah, Chona is, she has the same hobby with me. We like to collect the miniature tea set. And yeah, so happy for you, Connor. And now the big prize. You see who will get the prize. I will shake well and show you who will get the big prize. Okay, see who is the lucky winner. Okay, Roxika. Now I have to pick again another person. This challenge, look who will get my tarantala. Oh, congratulations to you, Asma. You are the lucky winner for the challenge. This big prize. I'm so happy for you. And yeah, this is yeah, you will get the 3-tier cake stand and my dolly bag. And so happy for you, Asma. Congratulations to you. Drum roll. And so yeah, this is okay. Asma is the first prize. Connor, she is the second, and Roxika is the third prize. And so happy to you all, and thank you so much from bottom of my heart. And yeah, taking your time to participate into this challenge. So yeah, this is Connor. So let me just show you all the name here. And Craft Enjoy Online. And Ivy. So everyone also have the name here. And this one, Ivy again. This one is Connor. And this one is Roxika. Yeah, and grab one more and show you. Craft Enjoy Online. CC. So yeah, everyone's names is here. So yeah, no cheating. So yeah, congratulations to you all, and thank you so much for everyone for taking your time to participate into this challenge. And this is the first Asma, and second, and Roxika is the third. So yeah, and yeah, so happy for you all, and thanks again for everyone for stopping by, and bye bye.